Jericho.
Hello.
What brings you here? Biglang nasa may boxing ring ka naman ngayon.
I'm here to support Kenneth. Siyempre, as a good friend of mine, and sa family sa akin. So, ayun, inimbitahan ako. And nagkataon na talagang yung schedule ko, natapos na rin yung FIBA. So sabi ko sa kanya, I'll be there to watch the fight and support you.
Nabagyan ko dati may boxing gym ka. Support ka ng fighters. Kaya ka-important mag-support sa mga young boxers like you.
Siyempre, sobrang una-una masaya. Siyempre nakita natin na halos lahat sila pina-follow nila yung footsteps ni Manny, di ba? So as for Kenneth, I'm really happy kasi I've seen him work really hard. Kahit nung medyo sa amateur pa siya, until na naging champion na rin, di ba? So malaking bagay, especially na ginawa tong event na to. Not only Kenneth will fight, di ba, sa mga ibang mga Pinoy din natin. So malaking bagay to para sa kanila talaga.
Jericho, you mentioned kakagaling mo nga lang sa FIBA Asia Cup with Guam. Kumusta yung overall assessment mo sa performance?
Okay naman. Actually, we made an history there. We won one game. Kasi coming from a small island na hindi naman alam kung saan. But we went to the biggest stage, which is the FIBA Asia Cup. And yun, nanalo kami. Sobrang blessed kami to get one win, to make a history for the island of Guam.
Ano yung biggest takeaway mo and yung team mo from your stint with the FIBA Asia Cup?
Biggest stint?
Yung takeaway mo, learning experience.
Siyempre, yung mga competition hindi ganun kadali eh. Mahirap talaga. So, talagang kailangan mo pagtrabahoan every minute na nasa loob ka ng court. Pero at the same time, happy ako dahil I get to meet other people, other players from different country from the Asia.
Yung next yung laban is sa November. Tapos yung kalaban ng Guam, Gilas.
Di ko muna iniisip yun, syempre. Medyo malayo pa yun eh. Tsaka, malakas naman yung Gilas, so di ko alam kung manalo ko, pero we will give ourselves a chance to try and win that game. But alam naman natin mga 2%, 3% na yung chance namin dun. So, I will just enjoy the game.
Pero makaka-learn ka ba for Guam din? Kasi di ba yung PBA season?
Actually, pinapayagan kami ng PBA pagdating sa FIBA Asia Cup eh. So, kami naman, mag-enjoy lang. Mag-enjoy ko na yung game na yun. And I get to see my teammates din sila Junmar. So, most likely, lalabas kami nun. Okay, thank you. Okay.